Dude, shopping for some mowers today.
Yeah.
Look at this one. What do you think of this one?
What one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
That does not look like a lawnmower.
What is it?
I don't know.
That's not it. That's not it. That's not it.
Definitely not.
What about this one?
That does not look like some kid's lawnmower. It does not.
Well, what do you think of it?
For this?
No, that's not it.
Yeah, I like that
What else do
one.
we got?
I
What else
like
do we
that
got? What else do we got? Oh, we gotta find it. We gotta find it. What could it be? Come this way. 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 Come this way.
Oh, it's like a ball
Man,
launcher.
go there. Go there. What is in here, man? Oh, this is not it. This is like detergents.
We never went in this section.
Okay, just find me a lawnmower. That's what we need, right? So why can't we find it? That's not it. Is there anything here? Is there any here?
It's the vacuums.
Oh my gosh, we're in the wrong section.
Let's go.
We're in the wrong section. Can't find
Keyboard.
any. Is there any here? Nope, 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 nope,
Just
nope.
spanners.
Okay,
and stuff.
okay, it's probably outside. It's probably outside. You think it's outside. Let's go quickly out
I
there.
think the barbecue's outside.
You think it's barbecues?
Yeah. There's a barbecue up there.
Well, we don't need a barbecue.
What is
that's
this?
for sure.
The music box? What is that?
I don't know.
What's that for?
Yeah, I don't know. It's like a music box. They gotta be here, man. Come. It's seasonal. They gotta be here. They gotta be here.
You know my leg is tired.
Is it?
Yeah, it's very tired.
Okay, we definitely got some stuff here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. At the end, check it out. Check it out. Down here, down here, down here, down here. Look at these guys here.
What the?
You got a wheel of a lawnmower too? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we got here? Look at this
Oh,
one.
I like that one.
Which color? That one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nicely painted. It's $380.
Oh my god.
That's a lot.
But,
Wow.
but
Wow.
which one should we get?
Okay.
Oh.
You know what we should get? I have an idea. You know which one we should get today? You know how these ones are, or
This
that
is
one?
just like yours.
Yeah. And that's the one you like. You like that color, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but listen. You like this color, but what if we got one that is not as loud as these ones? Because these all take gas and they're loud. You don't like it when it's loud, right? It's too loud. What if we get this one? And it's got the same color you like that. But it's a push mower. It's actually called a reel mower because it's got a reel inside that cuts the grass. And you don't need gas or anything. You just push it and it'll cut the grass.
Look, that's so easy.
Yeah. What do you think of doing that? What do you think of getting that? Another wheel.
There's so much wheels.
What do you think about getting this?
Look at this wheel. Like, look at this wheel. And look at this wheel.
Wow. That's just a random wheel.
Yeah.
Dude, the box fell, but I think it's still good. I think it's still good.
Cracked.
No, it was cracked like that. Look, this one's cracked too. Look. They're all like that.
Aw.
So I think that's it.
This one was not cracked, so when it fell, it cracked.
This is the one. We're going to get this, and in the next video, we're going to unbox it and cut our grass with it.
No, when we get home, then we're doing
Yeah,
the video.
that's right. That's
then
right.
we're gonna unbox it and go.
So we're definitely gonna get this one. I think that's a good idea. Okay, deal? I think that's gonna be the best one from all these because all these need gas and those don't need. That one doesn't need anything. It just cuts the grass by itself, dude.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, this is it.
There's all of the kinds of wheels here.
Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys click like. And we'll see you in the
What?
next video when we use this one and we
What
cut.
the?
Hey, time to watch the next video because we're gonna cut the grass with this thing.
When we get home.
Yes.
And this is very close to our home. So
Okay, great. Okay, bye.
Bye.